Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. To get us started right here on some of these instant savings deals, we see the Voyager bag, little work bag here, 12-inch tool bag for $5. Pretty good price for that. I actually grabbed some of these plastic fasteners right here. I got a few things I got to work on my truck, so I'll show you that video at some point later. We have some Hardy work gloves here for $4.50. Solid deal for those. Good thing to grab if you need some. I really like these little magnets. I've used them multiple times for different things. Always a great thing to have. Some good prices on batteries. $50 for a battery is really good. And then we have the cheaper, smaller Hercules batteries here. So again, a great price for both of those. Grab some of those. You got some knee savers right here. You also have some ammo boxes. Again, great thing to store stuff in. $8 for that one. And then we have some moving blankets for $4. That is a great price. A lot better than the price that I got them, but it's still a great thing to go ahead and snag and get you some percentage off there. Got some earmuffs if you need some of those for working or for shooting or whatever it might be. Good price for that one. We have some more Quinn tools. We saw some of these available and on sale recently. We have the extendable ratchet there for $61. Screwdriver set here for $22. So great deal for both of those. Then we also have some of their sockets here for $17. Good prices on a lot of these Pittsburgh items right here. Again, a great thing just to kind of keep in your pack. Some more wrenches here for $22. Doyle pliers. Don't think I've ever seen these on sale, but here's some here for $15. Got some Sawzall blades. This is the Warrior brand, so that's probably the cheapest you'll find for any Sawzall blades. Then we also have some hex shank drill bits here for $6. And then even the titanium step drill bits here. So again, you can grab some of those for $9. Then more Icon tools. We did have some Icons on sale recently. And then we have the Bauer set here for $3, the little router bits. And the little small torpedo level as well. Great little thing to keep. Make sure things are level. Pittsburgh, little home DIY set. Great one there. Mechanical set. The angle grinder here for Bauer. And also the belt sander as well. So both of those. US General socket trays. $18. You can grab the color that you need. So multi-colors and sets, whichever one you need for your workstation or even at home. Then we have the Gordon machete here for $6. Really good price for that. If you need one of those out in the woods. Have some clamps here. I actually bought 2 of these zipper pouch for Yukon right here for $2. You can grab those, store stuff in them. I actually, like I said, I bought 2 of those. Needed a couple of those for just different things around the house. Pretty heavy duty, and they've worked good so far. Little protective suit here, $8 for those. Doing whatever painting and other type of stuff. Got some spring clamps here for $1. Rotary accessory kit, $15. Grab one of those kits, all kind of stuff in there. Another shot at a Voyager bag. So again, if you need one of those. Different clamps. Now I will say these were actually somebody came and picked up all these clamps as I was paying. So my store, they're going to be empty. We have the plastic drop cloth, $1. We have some of these pencils. I have a bunch of these around the shop. Super helpful and easy to use. 50 cents there on those. Pretty good price for that. Have the long neck funnels. If you need any funnels here for $2. Good price for that right there. Got some storage containers. And then we even have a drop cord, 50-foot cord as well. I ended up buying a black one. It was not on sale, but I had to have a black one for a certain thing. We have some tarps here, $6. Really good prices for those as well. So good things. You can grab some. We also have the safes here for $25. We'll check that one out. And then also the rubber air hose here for $20. I did want to show y'all some of the Inside Track Club deals. So again, these you have to be part of the Inside Track Club. In order to do that, you will have to pay for the membership. I believe it's $30 a year, and you get in early on deals, and then you also get other deals all throughout the year. So if you want to jump in there, you can see some of these prices Sometimes, if you're going to be buying a bigger item, it is worth grabbing the Inside Track Club because you'll save 30 bucks all at once. So it's a great thing to just go ahead and check out and see. But more deals you can see right here, 44 bucks for this one. The compressor duty electric motor, 200 bucks there. We got the framing nailer. Could have used this on a project at the house. That would have been nice. Little Banks options for those. And here's a couple more Inside Track Club options for Chief. Angle drill. McGraw air hammer. 30 bucks. Also have the Chief die grinder. 50 bucks. And then also the air needle scaler there for $30. Another die grinder from McGraw, different size for that one. And then the Chief die grinder as well. Got an air sander here from McGraw, 30 bucks. And another belt sander. We saw just one of those from another brand, but here's another one. More air hoses. This one, again, is Inside Track Club member. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. I also will have some of these items listed down below as well. So if you're interested, you can click down there and check those out. And then we have some spotlights. We also have the Maddox brake or hydraulic brake flaring tool, $280. Vacuum pump here for 80 bucks. Pretty good price for that one right there. Then we get into the Viking. I really like these. Again, this is the engine start, kind of the heavy duty option right here for your house. But you also have the portable jump pack as well. So if you're going to be jumping off, I just recommend you keeping one of these in your vehicle at all times. We have one in both my truck and my wife's minivan. We have the auto dolly. So again, save your back. Check that out. Pittsburgh hydraulic body repair kit, $170. Then we also have some roller seat with drawers, little mechanics seat. I really like that. It's a really cool item. And then another one right here for the compact detail seat as well. More Pittsburgh options. Some of these, as you see, are still the Inside Track Club members. We just wanted to show you all as many of these. Trim router here. Check that one out. Also have the Vulcan option for $130. So if you're going to be doing anything that you need protection, that's a great one to grab. Titanium, $250 here. Another solid brand. Good job on that. $225. Another Voyager. This one is more of the belt, so you can grab that one. Professional bench grinder, $170 for Hercules. You can see it has both sides on that as well. Then we see the Warrior variable speed multi-tool. Again, that's one of the cheapest multi-tools you're ever going to find. 15 bucks right there for that one. Dust collector from Central Machinery, $200. Again, you get to save pretty good on that one. Bauer has their circular saw, $79. It's a pretty good deal. Again, Bauer's a great brand. They do a really good job. Warrior also has their reciprocating saw on sale right now, $22.99. You can also grab some of those blades pretty cheap right now for instant savings. And then we see the little option right here for the heat gun with Bauer. It was also on clearance. So again, I did show you some clearance items as well right there for 30 bucks. They also have a little clearance item or section in my store. You can see here is what it looks like, but sometimes they're in the back, sometimes they're in the front. So you also want to check that and see what's available at your store. A couple things on this. You do want to make sure you go home and test it immediately because I think you only have like 3 to 5 days to make sure it works. A lot of times these are returns. Some of them are messed up, some of them aren't. They just put them out here to see if anyone is interested and wants to buy one. So always go by and check to see what might be available. There could be something you need there. So there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. You can let me know what you plan on grabbing down below. Also, keep me updated on any other deals that you might see. You can let me know that as well. But feel free to like and subscribe so you never miss another deal, and I'll see you in the next video.